Units of force. We have 3 units of force here. Newton, that is in SI system, and dyne is the units of force in Cgs system, and poundal is the unit of force in FS system. Now we'll try to define each of them one by one with the help of this formula, that is force is equals to mass times acceleration. So let's define 1 Newton. But before that, let us find out which units are involved in Newton. SI unit. So what will be the SI unit of mass? It's kg. Acceleration, it's meter per second square. Now with the help of this we will define 1 Newton force. 1 Newton. Here meter per second square is acceleration and kg is mass. It's 1 kg, 1 meter per second square. So now we'll define this 1 Newton. The force that produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square on a mass of 1 kg is called 1 Newton force or 1 Newton. So this is how we define. Here the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, which is SI unit, and the unit of mass is 1 kg, which is SI unit, and the Newton is also SI unit of force. So all the units belongs to the SI system. They are all of the same system. So now we'll define dyne. Everything will remain the same. Only you need to change is the unit. Now to define dyne, 1 dyne. One dyne. So now the SI unit, dyne is the SI unit of Cgs unit of force. So the Cgs unit of mass is gram, and acceleration is centimeter per second square. Now let's define dyne. The dyne, 1 dyne, the force that produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square on a mass of 1 gram is called 1 dyne or 1 dyne force. We're done with dyne. Now let's define poundal. Again the same thing. You just rub this and the units. This 1 poundal. So 1 poundal can be defined as the force that produces an acceleration of, okay, for that we need to do this now. 1 poundal. Poundal is the unit of force in FS system. So in FS system the unit of mass is pound, and acceleration is foot per second square. Now let's define the force that produces an acceleration of 1 foot per second square on a mass of 1 pound is called 1 poundal. It's called 1 poundal. So this is how we define units of force. These are your home assignments. I want you to do it at home and practice. So in the next video we'll be doing the types of force and some more numericals.